Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you the official instructions on how to enter the $100 Disney gift card giveaway that you may have seen me tease at in the previous post. But while we're also doing that, I thought I would make another drink at home. And today we're going to be using this trusty little cookbook, the Unofficial Disney Parks Drink Recipe Book. I got this on Amazon for under $10, so it is a total steal. And there are so many amazing cocktail recipes in here, but not just cocktails. They have mocktails, they have the different coffee drinks or hot cocoa. I think you can find one of the blue milk drinks from Galaxy's Edge. So there is literally something for everyone in this book. I can't recommend it enough. We've been having a lot of fun with this at home. Today I'm going to make you one of my favorite drinks from this book, the Hightower Rocks, which you can find over at the Nomad Lounge in Animal Kingdom. This is a nod to Harrison Hightower III, who is the owner, I think, of the Disney Tokyo Sea's Tower of Terror. Joe Rohde was actually used for the likeness of Harrison Hightower, so it's kind of a nod to him too, which I think is super fun because he is responsible for giving us Animal Kingdom. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, you just need 5 simple ingredients to make this drink. You're going to need 1.5 ounces of watermelon juice, 1.5 ounces of tequila, half an ounce of lemon juice, a half ounce of lime juice, and it calls for 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. I like to use a little bit less because I don't like it as sweet. I'm just going to take my trusty little shaker and add all the ingredients in one at a time. So we got the watermelon juice, tequila, lemon juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. Then you shake, shake, shake. That's good. Once you're done shaking, you just pour it over the rocks. I like to use these big whiskey ice cubes. And I've got my Jack Skellington glass to use for you today. It was really that easy. It took me less than a minute, and there you go. The Hightower Rocks. Hightower for Harrison Hightower, rocks because it is served on the rocks. Delicious. Thank you for helping me make this delicious cocktail, and while we're enjoying it, I'm going to take a minute to tell you how to enter for that $100 Disney gift card giveaway. If you missed my previous video, we are giving away a $100 Disney gift card once we hit 500 subscribers. We're about halfway there now. And I wanted to up the ante a little bit. If we hit that 500 subscribers before the end of March, we are going to be adding an extra $50 to that gift card. So it'll be a $150 Disney gift card giveaway. And because I love all of you so much, I wanted to add a little something extra in there. So I'm also including this Disney Castle Collection Sleeping Beauty pin. They actually open up to reveal the inside of the castle. They are a limited edition. And since my home park is Disneyland, I wanted to include the Sleeping Beauty Castle pin. So that's just a little added bonus. It's just 3 easy steps to enter for this giveaway. 1, you need to be subscribed to this channel. 2, like this video. And 3, comment below what your favorite Disney drink or snack is at the parks. Once you've done all 3 steps, you'll be automatically entered into this giveaway. Now, there is no set deadline for this giveaway just yet. It's when we hit 500 subscribers. So the second we hit 500 subscribers, the giveaway will be locked and everyone that has entered will be put into a random drawing. And I will officially announce the winner of that giveaway on this channel. I will also include those steps in the description below so they're easy to find and reference for the future. And this won't be the last giveaway that we do. So if you don't win this one, there's always the next one. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, there's going to be an even bigger giveaway. And I cannot wait for that one. So I hope that you will subscribe. I hope that you'll come along for more adventures with us. I don't just do drinks at home or Disney food at home. We go to the parks quite often, and that's typically where I vlog from. I just wanted to try a little something different for this giveaway announcement. And if you're already subscribed to this channel, just make sure you comment below with what your favorite Disney snack or drink is, and that will enter you into this giveaway as well. And again, thank you so much for coming along on all my adventures with me. I love making these vlogs for all of you. I love going to the parks and sharing my tips and tricks and just my adventures with you. It has been so much fun, and I can't wait to see what the future has for us, and I hope that you'll all come along on this journey. And of course, magic is out there. Cheers.